I'm Aubrenay.
This is Arthur.
And we are the
A-Team.
Okay.
Get out the way, move. My bitch on your ass, QK. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Swapping out.
Alright, so today.
Hit that subscribe button.
Oh, yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button.
Alright, so what we doing today?
What was I thinking? What are we doing today, huh?
You know,
you wanted to do what we doing today.
You know, we doing what's, you know, what's popping on the internet right now. You know, we chasing clones. Popeyes versus
Chick-Fil-A.
the sandwich. I'm a Popeyes guy. I worked at Popeyes before, so you know I'm going with Popeyes.
And I'm a Chick-Fil-A. Baby, you ate almost all these fries. I'm a Chick-Fil-A girl.
Popeyes fries still better.
I ain't never worked over there. I was, but I was like, Either way, Chick-Fil-A had a lot of people. Before this,
yeah, this is spicy one right here. This is mine right here. She wants
yeah, this was mine. Always mine.
See,
oh, they big.
yeah, that's why.
God
That's what I'm talking about, man. You know, Popeyes, man.
And Chick-Fil-A, like, we gotta compare this in the
Yeah.
Gosh, y'all, this Popeye thing is like stacked.
Yeah, way
compared to this Chick-Fil-A. Why does it look like this?
That's why they going to Popeyes.
Yeah, it is pretty big. For that price too?
Right, $3.99.
How much is Chick-Fil-A? We spent like $14, $20 at
right.
Chick-Fil-A. And then Popeyes, we spent like, not even 14.
Right.
Alright, we gonna try that first?
I'm trying on Chick-Fil-A first. See, this Popeyes one right here.
Let me have mine out. Babe, put my phone up.
Phone
Thank you. You put yours on Do Not Disturb?
You
Put it on Do Not Disturb. Mine too, please, baby.
Because every time when I do YouTube, everybody always calling me.
But then when you're not, no, either way, it's still simple.
Alright, so this is mine too. God dang. Hey, I see why Popeyes dominate, man. Look how big these things are.
Gosh, why does mine look like this?
Dang.
Oh,
That ain't Chick-Fil-A, y'all.
dang! Wait, look at the camera. Look how look.
Hell yeah.
Have you seen the Good Burger? Walk to Good Burger.
Yeah,
They have the bigger ones.
God dang.
All right.
You know.
I'm gonna eat your pickle if you don't put that down.
Are you ready? What you eat?
Do I even have a pickle on mine? Oh, it's hiding. What the heck?
Behind that thing like
I got enough though.
Yeah, you ready?
Ready?
You doing Chick-Fil-A first or what? Like me?
Yeah, we do
Alright. You doing Chick-Fil-A at the same time? Chick-Fil-A real good.
I ain't gonna lie, it's really good. Hold on, wait a minute, hungry.
I'm not gonna take it out of the route. Damn, this thing big. Come on, Popeye. Chick-Fil-A good. Don't let me down, y'all.
Chick-Fil-A. Kind of normal. They get their little Chick-Fil-A nuggets and slap it on the little burger. And Popeye. I mean, I tried it, but I didn't taste it.
Yeah.
You know, there's a difference between trying it and tasting it.
Yeah.
Trying it, I was hungry.
Right.
Tasting it, I didn't taste it yet, so this is my taste time. I'm thirsty.
So you about to,
I need to wash that Chick-Fil-A down a little bit.
Good job. I drunk all mine.
You did? A little thirsty self.
I gotta wait till my drink get cold. I'll let you go sell me some of your drink. Oh. So you about to do the Popeyes one?
Don't drink it all.
No, I know. Oh, hold on, yeah. Thank you. Hold on.
Come on.
The water. Sorry about that. Alright. Ready?
Give us a count off.
1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh. Baby.
I see why Popeyes made over 23 million. I'm sorry, Chick-Fil-A. I'm not being Popeyes biased, but this thing actually tastes like Popeyes chicken.
I'm still chewing.
Oh, it is Popeyes chicken. Man,
Baby.
I'm about to start working at Popeyes.
That's crazy. Man. It's like the juices in here.
I know.
Like when I bit into the Chick-Fil-A sandwich, it was kind of like, and when you keep chewing, the juices just went away already. This one, you keep chewing, the juices are staying in it. Oh my gosh.
Man.
That's crazy.
And then they got this sauce in there.
They did? I didn't taste my sauce
You
yet.
ain't taste no sauce yet?
I gotta, oh yeah, I gotta bite down a little more. Ooh, look how it looks. The pickles are, ooh! Compared to Chick-fil-A pickles, these are thick pickles.
Yeah.
What is these?
And then we went to
Look,
the Popeyes already.
let's compare the pickles.
Man, we comparing everything.
This is
Man, look at
Popeyes
this pickle, man.
and this is
Y'all see this pickle?
Chick-fil-A.
Y'all see
I don't
that
know if
pickle?
you could see these, but it's really a difference.
Right.
Yeah,
Look at this, yeah, man, look at this pickle, man. Y'all can see that from a mile away.
This one's really big. Y'all just don't know how big that pickle is. Oh, I almost mixed it up. I almost put the Popeyes pickle on. This is good. Oh, it's just you gotta take a really big bite. Like for me,
Cause it's big, man.
it's really big. For that price too.
Right. My stuff's spicy. That's why I keep. Man, I'm about to go get some more water.
Get some more drink.
Look what that's good, but
I've never on Popeyes sandwiches. I don't know why. Remember, babe? At first, I thought I was gonna choose Chick-fil-A because, remember?
yeah, I know. We
I was
talking
like-
about it. So, if y'all tried the Chick-fil-A and the Popeyes sandwich, chicken sandwich, comment down below which one y'all like the best in y'all opinion. Me, I say Popeyes. Not because I worked there. Yes, I worked at Popeyes. But you know,
And
We got-
shockingly, sorry about to cut you off.
right.
I say Popeyes. But I really thought I was gonna do Chick-fil-A because I love me some Chick-fil-A.
You know what happened to her? Every time we go to Chick-fil-A,
Yeah.
so she always be like, oh, they go with the attitude, here we go with that. So
Oh,
now
they
she,
left the sausage on the back.
yeah, and she be like, oh, they always got attitude and all that. So she switching over to Popeyes, you feel me? Man, this thing a little pepper too. Man, this
Let me
thing
try.
pepper.
Was it really, really hot?
Not really, really hot, you know. It's like when you buy it, everything normal, like the classic one, that got a little afterburn. I'm about to go get one of your.
Yeah, I already see the peppers.
Yeah.
You see them?
I'm about to go get one of your things. Be right back.
Oh! This is hot, baby. It's not that bad. No, babe. Remember the first? Enjoy this. You want my Chick-fil-A sandwich?
Alright, I'm gonna eat everything.
No, I'm gonna eat it. No, I'm more. Popeyes already got me full.
You full?
Somewhat.
So what? Well, you can eat
I
now.
want those pickles.
What? Oh, you can take the pickles.
I like Popeyes pickles. They hot though. I put it on my Chick-fil-A sandwich because they need to upgrade their pickles.
Oh, I just.
Oh, go ahead. You can have it.
Sure.
Yeah, I already have it on. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go enjoy this. So,
We got a lot of stuff to eat. So, comment below, like, subscribe, and comment. Share the video. Comment what y'all think y'all like the best. Sorry if I'm eating for long. That's rude to me. Let me stop.
I've been doing it all day. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, now, as I was saying, which one y'all like best? The Popeyes or the Chick-fil-A one? Alright, we out here. Shalom.
Oh, I got grease on my hand. Go ahead.
I mean it. I mean it. I mean it.